Adobe Lightroom is a staple for many photographers, but it's not the only option. Whether you're looking for a free alternative, professional-grade features, or AI-powered tools, there's a variety of software that can meet your needs. In this video, we will explore the top Lightroom alternatives, offering a detailed review of each to help you choose the one that best suits your style. Without further ado, here are the best Lightroom alternatives right now. Number 5. Capture One, best for professional photographers. Capture One is often considered the gold standard for professional photographers, particularly those working with high-end cameras or needing precise color grading. If you're serious about your craft, this software is one to consider. Capture One offers exceptional tethering features, which make it ideal for studio shoots. It allows you to connect directly to your camera, making live adjustments to your images, which can significantly streamline workflows. One of the standout features of Capture One is its powerful color editing tools. The software allows you to make highly detailed adjustments to color balance, saturation, and luminance. The ability to adjust each color channel independently gives you complete control over your images, ensuring that every detail is fine-tuned to perfection. Additionally, Capture One supports custom workspaces, which means you can personalize the layout to suit your editing style and efficiency. Moreover, Capture One offers robust RAW processing, making it a strong contender for those who need to work with high-quality images from professional cameras. The software's cataloging tools are intuitive, allowing you to organize your photos into projects and collections. Though Capture One has a steeper learning curve compared to other alternatives, its professional-grade tools and customization options make it a worthy Lightroom alternative for serious photographers. Number 4. Darktable, best free and open-source alternative. Darktable is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a free open-source alternative to Lightroom. It's packed with features, many of which rival Lightroom's premium tools, yet it comes at no cost. As a raw photo processor and image organizer, Darktable allows you to import and manage your photos with ease. One of Darktable's main selling points is its extensive support for RAW files, including most modern camera formats. The software also has a non-destructive editing process, which means you can revert to the original file at any time. Darktable's modular design allows you to activate and deactivate different editing tools according to your needs, providing flexibility to your workflow. With tools for color correction, retouching, and exposure adjustments, Darktable offers a well-rounded set of features. What makes Darktable stand out even more is its powerful HDR merging and advanced noise reduction tools. If you're working with high ISO images or in challenging lighting conditions, Darktable offers exceptional noise control, which is essential for producing clean, detailed photos. Being open source, Darktable has an active community that contributes to regular updates and improvements, ensuring that you get access to the latest features and fixes. Number 3. DxO PhotoLab, best for professional-grade editing. DxO PhotoLab is another top-tier Lightroom alternative for professional photographers, especially those who prioritize advanced editing and image enhancement. With its powerful tools, DxO PhotoLab shines when it comes to noise reduction, lens corrections, and local adjustments. One of the standout features of DxO PhotoLab is its DxO Prime noise reduction technology. This tool utilizes artificial intelligence to analyze your photos and reduce noise without sacrificing image quality, making it an ideal choice for shooting in low-light conditions. The software also has a suite of automatic lens corrections, which can fix issues such as chromatic aberration, distortion, and vignetting, ensuring your images are as sharp and clear as possible. Another impressive feature of DxO PhotoLab is its local adjustment tools, which allow you to edit specific areas of your photo with high precision. You can apply different effects and adjustments to selective regions, enhancing details in shadows or highlights, which is especially useful for portrait or landscape photographers. The interface is user-friendly, but it does have a learning curve for beginners, so it's best suited for those with some experience in photo editing. Number 2. On1 Photo Raw, best for all-in-one editing and advanced file management. On1 Photo Raw is a versatile all-in-one photo editor that combines advanced editing features with powerful file management tools. It's designed for photographers who want both robust editing capabilities and a smooth workflow for managing large collections of images. One of the most compelling aspects of On1 Photo Raw is its non-destructive editing features. With a full suite of filters, effects, and retouching tools, you can adjust your images without worrying about losing any original data. On1 Photo Raw also includes powerful masking and blending features, which allow you to make detailed adjustments to specific areas of your photos, just like Lightroom's local adjustment tools. Another key strength of On1 Photo Raw is its file management system. It supports both cataloging and browsing modes, giving you flexibility in how you organize and search for your images. Additionally, On1's raw processing engine is fast, and it provides excellent image quality with minimal rendering time. Whether you're working with landscapes, portraits, or product photography, On1 Photo Raw's all-in-one approach provides a comprehensive solution for editing and organizing your work. Number 1. Skylum Luminar, best for AI-powered editing and simplicity. Skylum Luminar has made a name for itself as one of the most innovative and user-friendly Lightroom alternatives. With its AI-powered editing tools, Luminar simplifies the editing process, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals alike. One of the standout features of Luminar is its AI sky replacement tool. This feature uses artificial intelligence to detect the sky in your photos and replace it with a more dramatic or aesthetically pleasing sky in just a few clicks. Other AI-driven tools, such as AI Enhance, help improve the overall look of your image by analyzing the photo and making automatic adjustments to color, contrast, and details. These smart features save you time, especially when you're working with a large batch of images. In addition to AI tools, Luminar also offers advanced editing features like layer-based editing, LUT support, and customizable workspaces. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing you to dive into editing without a steep learning curve. Whether you're working with RAW files or JPEGs, Luminar's tools deliver impressive results quickly, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced photographers. Choosing the right Lightroom alternative depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a professional photographer seeking advanced features, a beginner looking for an intuitive interface, or someone in need of an all-in-one solution, there's a tool for you. Capture One and DxO PhotoLab are ideal for professionals, while Darktable offers a free, feature-rich option. On1 Photo Raw stands out for its powerful editing and file management capabilities, and Skylum Luminar leads the pack for AI-powered, simple editing. Each of these Lightroom alternatives brings something unique to the table, so take your time to explore and find the one that best suits your creative vision.